Hello everyone, welcome to MindMatrix. So in this video, we will be solving questions from Compiler Design Gate 2024 CS Set 1. Okay, so let's start, and this is all about me. My name is Anshul Sharma. I'm upcoming software engineer too at Juniper Networks. Currently, I'm pursuing MTech in Computer Science from IIT Kanpur. I have more than 2 years of teaching experience, mentored more than 1,000 students, and I have the expertise in computer science and data science subjects. I secured All India rank 294 in GATE Computer Science, cleared ISRO and IC NELET exam, selected as Administrative Officer at AIC. Fine. So these are our premium courses that you can enroll for if you want to prepare for GATE 2025, 2026. Then you can enroll in these courses. For GATE CSE, we have a complete course for both 2025 and 2026. Similarly, for GATE DA as well, we have the course, and we are also providing as a combo those who want to prepare for both the exams. So we have a combo course as well, and this is a complete course. You will be getting live lectures, recorded lectures, notes. You will be getting test series, practice questions, doubt discussion group, one-to-one mentorship, placement preparation course. We are also providing this placement preparation course. We are also providing already in these packages of GATE CS and GATE DA. So you don't have to go anywhere else. You will be getting everything here in our premium courses, and we have kept the prices also affordable. Live classes have already started and many students have already enrolled. So if you want to prepare, you can start your preparation with us. You can visit the website www.mindmatrix.net.in. And if you want to just check the quality of our content, our premium content, so I'm teaching operating system, and we are providing that for free, completely free. We are providing operating system, so you can enroll in the course, enroll in this subject specifically, and you can check the quality content that we are providing. We are solving the previous year questions, we are providing the practice questions, and we are providing the best quality content that can be possible for this operating system. So if you want to check the quality, you can register for it. All the links are given in the description. You can visit and start your preparation. Fine. If you want to connect with us, this is our Telegram doubt discussion group. This is our public group. For paid students, we have a separate group. For this is a open group, public group. You can join by scanning this QR code, and if you need any guidance, then also you can DM us, you can reach out to us. We have also have a WhatsApp channel, so you can join by scanning this QR code, and this is the QR code for our website. So without waiting, let's start. This is the first question that we have from Compiler Design subject. So the question here is, let's read the question first. Which of the following is or are bottom-up parsers? So this is MSQ question. More than one may be correct. More than one may be correct, right? Multi-select question. So what are bottom-up parsers? So we have two types of parsers. Basically, we categorize the parsers into two types: top-down parser and bottom-up parsers. So in bottom-up parsers, basically we have shift reduce parsers, and then further we have LR parsers, right? So here it is a very simple question, a basic question. It is just talking about which one is or are is a bottom-up parser. So shift reduce, definitely it is a bottom-up parser. Predictive parser, they are top-down parser. LL1, this is also top-down parser. And LR parsers, all the LR parsers are also bottom-up parsers, right? So this is bottom-up parser. So option A and D is correct for this question. Very simple question, very basic question for 1 mark. And if you have studied compiler, you can easily answer this question. Let's proceed to the next question now. And this is based on precedence, operator precedence, and associative rules. It is also a very simple question. Just on the basis of precedence and associativity, you have to find the value of this expression that will come out based on the rules given to you, right? So let's solve this question. So here if you see, so here we have the precedence and associativity of all the operators given to us, and this is the expression that we have. Now, as we can see, first we need to focus on the precedence of the operators, right? So here if you see, plus is having the highest precedence. Plus operator is having highest precedence, and the associativity that we have is left associativity. So how we can solve this question? So basically here we have plus, here we have plus, here we have plus operator, right? And the associativity is left. So first of all, we are going to solve this one. That means first we will be solving this because it is left associative. So first we are giving preference to the plus operator, and then further we have to check the associativity. It is given left. So first we will be solving this one, and then we will be solving this one. Clear? Similarly here also we have plus, so first we will be solving this one. So what do you get? 3 plus 1, it is going to be 4. 4 plus 5, it is going to be 9. So directly also we can write. Directly also we can write here that it is going to be 3 plus 1, 4 plus 5, that is going to be 9, right? Then we have this multiply, then 2, then division operator. 7 plus 2 will become 9. So this is what we are getting now. So plus is not there. The next operator, or we can say the next high precedence operator that we have is minus, and the associativity is right. So here first, so we have to first solve the rightmost. So this is first we are going to solve 7 minus 6, then this is what we are going to solve, and then further this one, right? 7 minus 6 will give you 1, 4 minus 1 will give you 3, 9 minus 3 will give you 6. So what we are getting now? We will be getting this thing, right? The next high precedence operator we have is star or multiplication, and the associativity is right. So first we are going to solve this one. So 9 into 2, it is going to be 18, 18, 6 and 2. And the only operator we are left with division operator, but the associativity is right. So first we are going to solve the rightmost first, right? So what we are going to get? 2 will divide 6, so we will be getting 3, and 3 if divide 18, we will be getting 6 as the answer. So correct answer to this question is 6. Is it clear? So very simple question, just on the basis of rules you have to solve it, right? And just be careful while solving these type of questions. Sometimes we commit silly mistakes, so it's better to solve it carefully. Let's proceed to the question from SDT. Now we have, let's read the question first. Consider the following syntax directed definition SDD. So this is the syntax directed definition is given to us, right? And given this input mmlk as the input, which one of the following options is the correct value computed by the SDD in the attribute s dot value? So we have to find the final value of s dot value, basically the attribute s dot value. What will be the final value computed? That we need to find for this given input mmlk. Again, a very simple question. So here let's solve this one. So s is the starting symbol, so you have to start with s, right? And s is deriving dhtu, so it is deriving d h t and u. Clear? Then as we need, see this is the input, right? mmlk, and we can see from this production that d can derive m, right? D can derive m, so definitely we have to use this production. D derives m, so this is going to get printed, and here we have d1. So basically just to differentiate it as writing d1, you can directly write d only. Okay, then if you see, so 1m we are getting from here, right? But we need another m. So how to get it? Again we can use the same production, because there is no other production which is deriving m, right, through which we can get m again. So we have to use again the same production. So here we are going to get d. Clear so far? Now 2m we are getting from here, then we need l, and then we need k. So first let's see how we can get l. So l we are getting here, if you see carefully, l we are getting using this production. H derives lh, right? So it is again very simple. So from h we can get l, so here it is going to be l, right? And then here it is going to be h, right? And then we need k. So how we can get k? From u we are getting k, right? So from u we are getting k, so we can directly write k here. Now what about the rest of the non-terminals? So we are getting mmlk. That's all we need. That's all is the input that we are giving. So rest we can substitute to epsilon based on these productions. Carefully see here. Here we have d. So from d I can derive epsilon. So I am going to write epsilon here. Fine. Similarly here we have h. So I can use this production. So I can derive epsilon here. Similarly from T also I can derive epsilon because we don't need C, right? We don't need C. So I can derive epsilon here as well. That's all. Now we can solve this. Now we can solve this. So carefully see here. Let's see this first one. So if you are scanning, see, you have to scan from left to right. So if you scan from left to right, the first this translation that we are going to see, the first production, d derives epsilon. So first we are going to solve this one. So d dot value is equal to -5. So here in d dot value you will be getting -5. Clear? You will be having -5 based on this production. Then further if you go above, d derives md. So you are going to solve this one. D dot value is equal to 5 plus d dot value. So here we can write 5 plus d dot value. Here it is -5. So -5, and that will give you what? 0. That will give you 0 here. 5 minus 5 will give you 0 only. Right? Again we can use d derives md. So again we are going to use this one. 5 plus whatever is the value received by this one. So first we received the value from this one, -5 here, and now this 0 will be given to the above parent one. So 5 plus d value. So here we are going to have 5 plus d value. We are getting 0 from here. So 5 plus 0 is equal to 0. Is equal to 5. Clear? This is what we are getting. Now let's talk about this one. H derives epsilon. This one. So h dot value will be assigned with -10. So here we are going to get h dot value is equal to -10. H dot value is equal to -10, and that will be given to the parent. H derives LH. H derives LH. This is what we are going to use. 5 into 10 plus H value. 5 into 10. 5 into 10 plus H value. H value we are getting -10. So finally what do we get? 50 minus 10, it is going to be 40. T derives epsilon. T derives epsilon. T dot value is equal to -5. So T dot value is equal to -5. And what about U derives K? U dot value is equal to 5. So U dot value is equal to 5. Finally, we are going to talk about this starting S dot value. So S dot value is equal to what? Sum of all the values. D dot value, H dot value, T dot value, and U dot value. D dot value is 5. So you can write 5 here, plus H dot value is 40, so we can write 40 here. T dot value is -5, so plus of -5, and U dot value is 5. So this is what we are getting. Finally, if you solve this 5 and -5 will cancel out. 40 plus 5, it will give you 45 as the answer. Clear? So just you have to, based on the input, you have to make this tree, and then you have to assign the values based on the translations given to you. Okay, based on the translations given to you, you have to assign the values, and finally you have to compute the S dot value, and which is we are getting as 45. So option A is the correct answer here. 45 is the correct answer. Clear? Simple question, right? Let's proceed further. Now let's read this question. Consider the following grammar G with S as the starting symbol. The grammar G has 3 incomplete productions denoted by 1, 2, and 3. So these are the incomplete productions. Fine. The set of terminals is A, B, C, D, F. These are the terminals. And the first and follow sets of different non-terminals are as follows. First and follow are given to us for all the non-terminals. And non-terminals here we have is S, T, and R. Clear? Which one of the following options correctly fills in the complete productions? So basically you need to find this first, second, and third correctly. Okay. So it is also a simple question. Basically, if you see carefully here, First of S, first of T, first of R is given. Follow of S, follow of T, follow of R is also given. Now, if you see here, in first of S, we are getting C, D, F. So just focus on this production. If I have to find, let me use another color here. If I have to find first of S using this production, what do I get? First of S is nothing but D. First of S is nothing but D here. So I will be getting D. Fine. What else? Here I don't know what it is at the place of first, right? At the place of 1, which production we have, we don't know. But based on this, we can see that in first of S, we are getting C, D, and F. D we are getting from this one. But what about C and F? What about C and F? So that we have to consider based on the options. So it is a kind of option elimination. By option elimination, you can eliminate it. Okay, you can eliminate and you can find the correct answer. If you focus on first of T now. First of T. What is first of T? A, B, epsilon. If you see here, the productions of T, first of T is A. Okay, you are getting A. What else? First of T is B also. You are getting B also. Right? But here you are getting epsilon also. So can I say at this second place, it should be T derives epsilon? It should be T derives epsilon. Can I say so? Correct? So that I can get epsilon also in first of T, because here it is already given that we have A, B and epsilon the first of T. So can I say the second one will be T derives epsilon? So if you see the options here, in option A we have T derives epsilon, in option B also we have T derives epsilon, but in option D and C and D we don't have it. So directly we can eliminate option C and D. Definitely C and D cannot be a correct answer. Now we have to choose between A and B. So as I told you, first of S is D here, but here it is given it is C also, D also and F also. First of S is C, D, F. How can we get C and F here? That we have to carefully see. If I consider this one, the first one, if I consider this one, can I get C and F from this one? And or if I consider this one, can I get C and F? Let's say if I consider this one, S derives FR. Let's say at the place of first, I have this one. So first of S will become F also. First of S will become F also. But there is no way that I can get C here. There is no way that I can get C here. Because if this is the production, if this is the first production here, so first of S will be F only. And based on this, we are getting D only. How we can get C also? Because C is also present here. Are you getting it? So definitely this is also not possible. What about this one? If you have S derives RF, and definitely if you consider this one, R derives CTR. Now if you calculate first of S, so based on this first of S, you are getting D. Based on this one, what do you get? Based on this one, what do you get? So first of S is nothing but first of R. First of R is this terminal C, so you are getting C also. What else? This R is also deriving epsilon. So first of S is first of R, first of R is epsilon also. First of R is epsilon also. So if you substitute epsilon here, this will become what? S derives F. So first of S will be F also. First of S will be F also. So C, D, F we are getting. So that means this is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer for this question. I hope it is clear. So by option elimination, you can quickly find out the correct answer. You don't have to, check follow also in this question. In this question, just on the basis of first, you are able to find the correct answers. Okay. So option A is the correct one. Let's see this next question. Consider the following pseudocode. So this pseudocode is given to us. Which one of the following options correctly specifies the number of basic blocks? We have to find the number of basic blocks and the number of instructions in the largest basic block respectively. These are the options given to us. So first we need to understand what is basic block. Then we need to understand how we can find the basic block. So let's talk about it first. So here if you see, Let's talk about basic block. What is basic block? Basic block is nothing but a set of or sequence of statements, or when I say three address code, you can write three address code statements, right? The flow of control enters at the beginning of the statement and leave at the end without any halt. So basically, if I say that this is my basic block, carefully understand. If I say this B1 is my basic block. So let's say I am having some statements here. Three address code statements are there in this basic block. Now, I can say this is the basic block. How? When this is all the statements are executing sequentially. All the statements are executing sequentially and there is no jump statement in between and there is no halt statement. Are you getting this point? No jump statement, no halt statement is allowed. Just sequential execution of statements will be there. If I have such set of statements, three address code statements, then I can say this consists all my basic block. These set of statements consist my basic block or forms my basic block. Is it clear? So there is no jump statement. That means there is no go to statement in between and there is no halt statement. So that is not there. Clear? I hope it is clear. All these statements will execute sequentially. There is no jump and halt statements present. It may be possible that last instruction of the block can be halt or jump. That is possible, but in between you cannot have it. Last can be possible when it is about to exit. So this is basic block. Now how to find a basic block? In order to find the basic block, you need to identify the leader first. So how we can identify the leader? So these are the rules. So the first statement of three address code is the leader. So as you can see here, as you can see in the first one, so here I can say that first statement L1, I can say this is my leader. This is the leader. First statement will always be the leader. Second says the address of conditional, unconditional goto is the leader, or basically target location of goto is also a leader. So as you can see, go to L11, target of this is L11. So I can say this is also a leader. L11 is also a leader. Go to L4. So L4 is also a leader. Go to L3. So L3 is also a leader. Is it clear so far? So first statement will always be the leader. Then target of go-to statements. Whether it is conditional, whether it is unconditional, that doesn't matter. Target of go-to statement will also be a leader. The third one is immediate next line of go-to is also a leader. Immediate next line. Here we have the go-to. So immediate line, that means here L10 is also a leader, right? Immediate to this one, so L13 is also a leader. Immediate to this one, so L15 is also a leader. Is it clear? Right? So we have L1, L3, L4, L10, L11, L13, L15 as the leader. So here if you see, just carefully, let's mark the leaders again. So here we are going to solve. First statement is a leader, right? Always first statement is a leader. Then target of all the go-to statements will be a leader. So go to L11, this is a leader. Go to L4, this is a leader. Go to L3, this is also a leader. And then the immediate statements to the go-to statements. So here we have go-to, immediate statement is L10, so L10 is also a leader. Immediate statement to this one is L13, so L13 is also a leader. Immediate statement to this one is L15, so L15 is also a leader. So these are the leaders. Now we can find the basic block, we can form the basic block. So always the basic block will start with a leader, right? And it is going to end just before the next leader. Again, I'm repeating, always the basic block starts with a leader and it ends just before the next leader. So can I say L1 and L2 forms one basic block? Let's say B1. L3 is the only leader because after that you have again next leader. So just L3 is again a basic block. Let's say B2. Then from L4 to L9 is also a basic block, let's say B3. Then L10 is itself, it is a basic block, B4. Then from L11 to L12, B5, again a basic block. Then from L13 to L14, one more basic block, B6. And the final one, L15, is also forming a basic block, let's say B7. So how many basic blocks are there? How many basic blocks are there? Total 7 basic blocks are there in this pseudocode. And also we need to find the number of instructions in the largest basic block. So which one is the largest basic block? B3 is the largest basic block, right? And how many instructions are present here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 6 instructions are present in the largest basic block. And largest basic block is B3. So what will be the answer? So correct answer to this question is option D, 7 and 6. Option D is the correct answer to this question, 7 and 6. Is it clear? So you can see a simple type of questions have been asked. If you know the concept clearly, you can easily solve these questions, right? Fine. So that's it from this video. I will be solving compiler design questions from set 2 also. So for more such updates and videos we are providing on our YouTube channel, subscribe to MindMatrix YouTube channel, and you can also join our Telegram doubt discussion group. More than 1300 students are there. You can also join our WhatsApp channel for more updates and information. You can visit our website www.mindmatrix.net.in and start your preparation for GATE 2025 and 2026. Live classes have already started, so start early and prepare well with us. Fine. So like this video, share with your friends and subscribe to MindMatrix YouTube channel. Okay. We'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care and bye-bye. Thank you all.